First day in Boston, right next to the Museum of Fine Arts Symphony. Goal today, we're getting 10,000 steps in. What steps are we at right now?
6,078.
6,078. Can you show the watch?
Okay, look at
6,078 steps.
We're gonna end at 16,000.
16,000. Goal is just to explore Boston, go through as pedestrians because it's very different when you're walking through the city compared to when you're in the car. You get to experience the city in a whole different way. That's what we're doing. We're walking through all of Boston. Maybe we'll even go for 20K. You never know. I guess you'll see. You'll see if we get to 20K or not. Sunday, so parking is free. So we just parked at one of the parking spots right here. First stop, this park right here. A lot of good memories here. This is a very underrated park in Boston. Done. Bam.
Oh, that's why. Huh?
We're gonna be spraying the back for you.
Okay, that's enough. I'm wasted.
I'm trying to remember what this park is called. But once I figure that out, I'll put it right here, whatever the park is called. It's a very cool park. Okay, that park is done. We're heading to our next destination, Fenway. We're going to Fenway Park, Fenway. Such a nice day. Oh, we got Emmanuel College over there, MCP somewhere in the woods over there. This used to be my break walk. I used to walk this street when I would want to take a break and studying. Okay, what steps are we at right now?
We're at 7,543.
So we're 1,500 in. Not bad. 545, and we're at 1,500 steps. We are at the beginning of Fenway. Dang, this wasn't here when I used to live here, but this would have been such a good spot for like performative studying. Like imagine me just sitting right there and just studying silently and just looking really cool. But yeah, we're here to get a bev. Not food, just a bev. $12.
Actually, $12.83.
With tax.
Last tax. I give it a 7.
That's good. That's good. On to the next. This is the start of the BU strip. BU strip is that way. We're headed to Prudential that way. 9,500? 3,500. We're opting out the BU trip in Alston and all that road offers, and we are deciding to go the opposite way. We're back near Symphony. Symphony is just up that way, across the highway. How many steps are we at?
10,767.
So that's 4,700 steps. Not even close to 10,000, maybe halfway there.
But we're only 40%.
It's getting cooler. It's not as hot anymore.
Okay, so you get a take the stairs because we want to get our stuff.
Exactly. You see? We're committed to the craft.
What number we're at now? 12.
So that means we did 6,000 just arriving at Prudential now. Yeah.
Wow.
Never. Is this new? Easily.
12.6.
12.6, yeah, just another 600 steps. Scott Bridge now. No, that's the Boston Library up there. Oh, up there. I feel like last time I was here, I was with my brother.
Is your neck okay?
No. Boston Library, free to all. I swear this is where the finish line for the Boston Marathon is. I swear to God. Copley, you know, getting the 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 steps in. Newberry Street that way.
A lot of rollerbladers.
Okay. So you have an interview tomorrow. Your laptop's in there. We've been carrying like a 10-pound bag the whole way. So we got to make sure we put it to good use. We're going to go to that river. You can pretend that she's studying to be performative, and then we'll get a really cool shot of her studying next to the river. Oh, sun's setting. How many steps are we at?
14.6.
Oh, 14.6. That means we're 8.6 thousand steps in. Yeah. Time to go to the river.
Past the signs, over the borders of our mind. 'Cause today's a beautiful day.
we're going back right now. We reached our destination. Peak golden hour when the sun is just setting. Look at this. MIT's over there. Going to this deck right here, just so that Stephanie can pull out her laptop. Okay, Steph. Like right here, you know. I'll put emotional, like non-copyright music over it. Yeah. Oh, I can sing too. Like. Wait, what's the song? What she was singing? I used to float, now I just roll down. Da, 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 da. What was I made for? What was I made for?
Wait a minute.
And
So where do you see yourself in 10 years?
I don't know.
That's a great question. Well, you should be able to answer that. You wouldn't say anything like that.
Stuck in a prison of doubt. In this ocean.
Yeah, imagine studying out here. Imagine studying out here.
And everything is growing up tight.
Yeah, it's a good day spot.
Trying to find my bar.
Nobody is watching us.
Check this out.
This is peak Boston, you know. Everyone's running. Everyone's getting the cardio in.
Repeat.
Here with a pregnant lady. You know?
Okay.
Peak. This is peak. This is peak.